Today it's 11th of January and I have done a couple of things, and now it's time for chainsaws again. And look what I found in my part division. Very cool to have a lot of chainsaw parts. It's a kind of a funny hobby and a pleasant thing to find parts. I have a colleague in chainsaws. He need a partner brake cover, and I found in my part list. Oh, yay! It's not that cool. Anyway, the brake is broken. Maybe I have a new brake band. Maybe you can fix it. Anyway, I have the cover. What about this? Looks very good. Looks complete to me. And there is the brake band. It's complete because my Husqvarna 340, the brake didn't work. I didn't check it. Why? It doesn't work, but there I have an extra cover. I think that will fit on the Husqvarna 340. But what I want to do is to test my Stihl 011 or 10. I go get it. And I have a lot of chainsaws, and it's a little difficult to remember every one, what I did and what I did not do. But I think this is ready for sale and working okay. I go and get it, and I think now I have the time to test it. I can read 010 on it. Stihl 010 or V. AV means anti-vibration. Stop switch. Pre-start. Choke here. I think I made this ready, and I think this is a very good chainsaw. And this is one of my favorite models in the chainsaw world, of the old one. And it looks like it has a very good chain. This could be very exciting to test this. That is the start of the day. Later on I'm going to check on my my partner chainsaws. There is something not okay with those chainsaws. I have a theory to change the decompression valve. It may be leak, because I felt this one a little slow on jumping out. But just a theory, because this one is bugging down a little when using it. Starts okay, good torques, complete chainsaw. This is also a complete chainsaw, but there's something crazy with the carburetor. I think something is not okay with it. And I have one more similar to this in the cellar, and I maybe find a decompression valve on that. Maybe I just try to change the decompression valve. I was also thinking about taking the carburetor from this one over to this one and try to rebuild this carburetor again. Something I need to do, because none of them is perfect as it is for now. So these ones I want to work on too. Very good chainsaws, but hard to get parts from for this partner 20X power. But let's see if there is some value in this Stihl chainsaw. If so, I also will demonstrate cutting with it. It's many months since I started this, but I think I gave it service and cleaned the carburetor ultrasonically. I adjusted it and changed the fuel line and filter, the ordinary things. And I think I got this to run okay. That's what I remember. The compression is good. Almost too good. Gee, this is hard to pull. Oh, gee. No. Okay. Maybe one thing, it needs a droplet. This one is very easy to give a droplet. And I will not say that is something is wrong with this. It's just a little slow to get the fuel through. But this was extremely, maybe it's a little dry in the cylinder, that's why it's a little bit hard to pull. But it seems like the compression is tremendous on this one. Just see. And now the throttle is in too. It's on pre-start. Take away the throttle. I mean the pre-start. Look at that compression. That's really top compression. So very easy to give it a droplet. It could be a little dry in the cylinder. That's why it was a little hard to pull, as I said. And many chainsaw, when you get it running, and it will not be hard to start the next day. But if it's standing several months, this might have been standing 6 months, 7 months, 8 months. I think I worked on it in the summertime. Chokes on. Stop switch. Let's see if it starts at once now. No. Nej, this was a fiasco. Something's wrong. So it's not this one. I could be mistaken. Could be mistaken for being this one. It could be this one. I have working good condition, and the other one there turns out not to start at all. Strange. This one is not the same hard to pull. I obviously can feel the difference. Could be something wrong with the other one, since it was a little hard to pull. God knows. So none of this was a success. But it has a little problem to get the fuel. It doesn't want to get the fuel. Something about the carburetor then. complete super duper this, but it has potential.